and I can see the new app. Click on the new app. So now this is my cloud project. Okay, so I just use this cloud project for that. Okay, you can see also in here cloud project, and we create the cloud project. No problem. Just next, and put the app name. So you can put any name. I put the name, suppose AR 50. You can put any name. So AR quality. Next. So then you can see the current contents of the editor. Just use it, and next. And further is simply add a thumbnail. Add a thumbnail for that. We can easily choose any thumbnail. Okay, suppose let me show you the one thumbnail. I put the, but when you what, you can try to put the real thumbnail. It will be more better. Suppose I want to add. So then add this type of thumbnail. And also add some description about your app. Okay? And how it will be work. Okay? What types of things we can get from this app. Okay, just write all of those. Okay? Just write the some description.
Okay.
Is the app monitoring. Suppose AR quality. So just like that. You can also write more. So after that, just click on the publish. So you can see the feature this app in your public apps gallery. Yes. So just if you want, it's optional. Just I put the yes, no problem. And viewers, restricted viewers to the Google group. So if you want, you can also share it for the specific people. Then check it. But if you want to share the publicly, no problem. And logo. So you also add the logo. Suppose change the logo. Okay. So just click on the here and also create some logo. So it looks more pretty for your map. Okay. So try to create this type of PNG file format mainly. Suppose in this time I simply apply this. So I create suppose this one. Oh, this is my logo. So also display the dimension this 50 pixel and atto pixel. Just create this logo this way. So you can get this type of logo also in here and publish.
Okay.
So now it's working. Now if you check, right, so this one, in this one, created this one now, air quality. So if I run, click on this tab, so it create the new link. So not ready. So it take 1 minute or less than 1 minute, then it will be okay. So then anyone can visit this link and get the result. So you're waiting 1 minute, then check what happened.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Thank you. Yes. So if you can share me the video, maybe on, I don't know how you share me the video, and
so
then
I will upload in privately access in my YouTube channel. You can easily send me your email. So this email you can also log in with your YouTube channel, and further you can easily watch the recorded session.
Okay, and then you can send me the code also.
Yeah, I'll also send you the code. So you can see we can get this type of app. So you can see it's loading the dashboard, and you can see it show the my logo, which I set it. Okay, and further I simply use this type of app, and I can easily choose the 2 parameter which you need, and also change my season. Can easily get the result. So now anyone can easily visit the link, and they can easily get this type of data. And download the type of CSV file. Just click on here, then download the CSV file for different season.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, so I will send you the code link and also send you the recorded session. You also try to practice. And further, if there's any problem, also inform me. I will guide you. No problem.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.